Unsweetened chocolate, and I'm talking about the type where you'll see 99 to 100% on the bar wrapper, has more limited use. It's used when you want more flavor and less sugar because there's no added sugar. Cocoa powder is my preference for baking, 100% cocoa powder. There are lots of different types. The higher qualities will have a higher percentage of cocoa butter, and I prefer them. Dark chocolate usually comes in a range of 45 to 85% cacao, and it encompasses both bittersweet and semi-sweet, as there's no industry standard for those terms. Although you'll see them in recipes, you really can't tell unless you know the cacao percentage. So I refer to it as dark chocolate. And it varies very dramatically by the different producers. So I like to use it for ganache and also for candies, because if a candy such as a praline is very sweet, dark chocolate and the higher percentages will help to temper it and balance it. Milk chocolate is available in percentages of cacao from 34% to 45%, although my own Rose custom blend is 46%, which I like even better. Milk chocolate is what you'll see in most candy bars. We'll talk more about that in later lessons. White chocolate is available between 30 and 35%. It consists of 1/3 sugar, 1/3 milk solids, and 1/3 cocoa butter. It's a wonderful addition to sweeten a recipe or a mixture that needs more sugar, but it also is great as a stabilizer and a sealer when you get holes in a pie crust. There are many things to consider when buying chocolate. The best way to know what your preference is to do a blind tasting of the chocolate itself. In other words, tasting it without knowing which is which and then seeing what you like. But as chocolate is a natural product, it can vary from season to season. The more expensive chocolates actually have more of a consistency, because just like wine in the way it's blended, chocolate is blended to achieve the standard type of chocolate that the company is trying to get to.